Good day, everyone. Happy Monday. It is 1 o'clock and Frisco had a late meeting, so we're barely having lunch. I am making tuna again with mayonnaise, lemon, and salt. I will not be making tuna melts today because I just don't want to. And we bought some bread yesterday from Whole Foods, so we have that to go with it. But today, we got our Everyplate box, so we're gonna be cooking that tonight. Don't really have much of an update. We have to go to Costco actually because I need to go do a return. And Nike. So I'm really hoping to be able to do that today. And Costco has the Shark hair dryer. I don't know if you guys have seen it. That is supposed to be like a competitor to the Dyson. And my Costco has it. And it's supposed to be on sale. I don't know. You guys might be seeing a new hair dryer around here. Also, I'm feeling so much better. Like so much better. Almost 100%. We're like at 80%. My sister, however, now got sick. So she's on meds right now. We're hoping that it doesn't hit her as bad as mine did. And hopefully she can get out of it. So fingers crossed for that. This weekend was a very cold weekend. This is going to be a very cold week. So, I don't know if she's going to go to work every day this week. We shall see. But anywho's else, just wanted to pop on and say hello. And hopefully you guys are having a good Monday. And now, I'm just ready. Oh, wow, my hair looks crazy. Okay, it is 5 o'clock. We're finally out of work. And here I have my Everyplate. I wanted to show you guys the ones that I chose. So I wasn't gonna do the Everyplate. I wanted to actually make my own dinners, but I forgot to skip it. So we ended up getting it. Alright, so this is gonna be one of the meals. So this is the Vietnamese chicken and rice bowl. Doesn't that look so delicious? Then we have the hoisin pork sloppy joe. That one also looked really good to me with potatoes. And then we have the honey sriracha fried chicken. So they're all pretty different than what we would cook, which is what I like. That's usually what I would get Everyplate for, is for things that typically we wouldn't eat, so that we can try something new. And every once in a while we'll find some that are really good and I end up remaking over and over. So that's not always the case, but that's always my hope and dream. So I'm not sure which one we're gonna make today. So if you're not familiar, this is kind of what it will look like when you open it. So the little cards will be up here. And then the first layer is going to be all the stuff that it's not really refrigerated. Alright, and then the second layer will usually be like under ice. I don't know if they put any ice in this one. Nice. Oh, what the heck? I don't think they put any ice in my box. Alright, so I'm going to make the Vietnamese chicken and rice bowl. And then Francisco said he might make the hoisin pork sloppy joes, but tomorrow. Alright, so here we have all the ingredients. So it has cucumber, rice, the chicken, a lime, carrot, sriracha, garlic, peanuts, and ponzu sauce. So, sometimes it'll tell you too what you'll need of your own. So you'll need butter, sugar, mayonnaise, oil, and salt. Yeah. Do you have cups? Alright guys, I'm still behind on Vlogmas. I was working on day 10, posted it, so now I'm behind 2 days. I'm really trying not to get behind too much because it's really hard to catch up once you get, you fall too behind, but not too bad. So we ended up going to Costco real quick. I did an exchange of a couple gifts that we'd bought that we found out that they were the wrong size. So we did that. I went to look at the Shark hair dryer that they're supposed to have at Costco, but I don't know, some Costco's have it on sale and mine didn't, so I felt like I was being lied to, so I decided not to buy it. Plus I'm undecided if I want that one or I don't know. If you guys have a Dyson hair dryer, my sister-in-law just bought one. She's only used it a few times, so she hasn't been able to tell me if she thinks it's worth it, but I don't know. Do you guys think it's worth it? I'm really intrigued about the like curling barrel thing, so I don't know. I might buy one day, but I'm just not sure I'm ready to do that right now. So yeah, anyways, we went to Costco, then I got home, washed dishes, edited the vlog, and not much more went on. So that was today. I really want to bake this week, now that I'm feeling better. So I don't know when I'm gonna bake, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. My sister's staying home from work tomorrow, so I'll be able to sleep in tomorrow a little bit, which is nice. That's gonna be it for this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow.